This PRM training video deals with the Inventory SKU Manager function. Goals for this session include: know how to add an alternate SKU for an inventory item, and know how to make a new SKU the primary SKU for an inventory item. If you need help with any POS function you are working on, just click the F1 key on your keyboard to access the manual, which will appear on that specific topic area. The Inventory SKU Manager function will only be accessible to the teacher, advisor, and/or student managers in the Manager mode. In the keyboard mode, from the invoice sales screen, to access the Manager mode, click or select the Show More Options F2 button. Then on the following screen, select the Manager F9 button. In the touch mode from the invoice sales screen, touch the Manager button on the lower right. On the Manager screen, select the Manager Mode button to get to the Manager Mode screen. Once on the Manager Mode screen, to access the SKU Manager function, select the Inventory button on the upper middle. The Inventory Center screen will appear with your master list of inventory items arranged by SKU. Using alternate SKUs is a common occurrence, especially with candy or snack items where the wrapper SKU is different from the box SKU. From your inventory list, locate and highlight the inventory item you would like to view or work with. On the Inventory Center screen, go to the View menu bar on the middle left and select the SKU Manager line. SKU details for that item will now appear on the lower part of the screen. To add an alternate SKU for that item, select the Add button. An input box screen will appear. You can enter the SKU by scanning a barcode, manually entering in the SKU, or even enter or click a programmable keyboard hotkey to be assigned that item. After entering the SKU, select the OK button to proceed. The alternate SKU will now appear on your SKU Manager screen. Every item has a primary SKU, identified with a check mark that will appear on the touchscreen sales invoice and also in your reports. To designate the new SKU added as the primary, highlight the recently entered SKU and then select the Set as Primary SKU button. The check mark will now appear with that SKU. You can test how this will appear by ringing a sale with that item. The new SKU should appear on the touch invoice screen. For your Inventory SKU Manager practice test, you will log on to the POS in the training mode. You are to select an inventory item. You will view the SKU Manager. Then add an alternate SKU or UPC for the item. And then set the alternate SKU as the primary SKU.